it's your girl Kenzie here from Layton Sports Cards. Ripping a personal for Margaret R. We've got a 2021 Bowman Draft Jumbo Box. All right, best of luck, Margaret. Thanks for hopping in. Here we go. Again, no one in queue after Margaret, so get those orders in and I will get them ripped right away for you. Been pulling some very nice cards tonight. Empty box. Here we go. Yeah, no paper shipped out of this, Margaret. Got refractors, Adley, Balavas, paper. Yep, if you search under YouTube, under LaytonSportsCards Instagram recordings, that's where they're uploaded, Wood. LaytonSportsCards Instagram recordings. Got for the Red Sox, green speckle out of 99, Tristan Casas. Red Sox, nice color there. And first auto up, outfielder for the Nationals, a TJ White. TJ White. This auto looks like Jalen Darden's. Little tiny thing there. Yeah, no problem, Wood. If you're looking for something specific and can't find it, let me know. I can try and look and drop the link for you. Lonnie White Jr. refractor, Mason Black, paper. Refractors, Alvarez and Herrera, paper. Got out of 499, Sky Blue, Jordan Grosses. Got Sky Blue for the Red Sox, Tyler McDonough, second baseman. Cowser and Trimble. We've got refractors, Robert Gasser and Benelis, paper. Draft night, Marcelo Meyer. Refractors, Beatty and Martinez, paper. We've got refractor auto, pitcher for the Indians, a Tommy Mace. Tommy Mace. A little dust on that. Nice refractor auto. Cleveland. Genesis Colton Cowser. Refractor Silva and DeVoe, paper. We've got Speckle, Garrett Mitchell for the Brewers. Refractors, Ibarra and Ed Howard. We've got Aqua Lava out of 199, Jacob Steinmetz for the D-backs. Refractors, Tanner Allen and Joe Mack, Marlins hits. All right, last stack here for you, Margaret. Let's see a nice color auto. Let's go. Oh, wait a second. Can I do this backwards? All right, hold on. Got green to 99, CJ Abrams for the Padres. We got Invicta of Harry Ford. Maddox Burns. TJ White refractor, Blaze Jordan, paper. They're just in there backwards, I guess. Paper. Last auto up. Pitcher for the Rangers, a Mitch Bratt. Mitch Bratt. up, Cammy? RG3, Stalker, Chris. What's up, everybody? Happy Monday. Montgomery and Hill. Refractors, Chad Patrick and Donta Williams. And paper. Paper. Joe Mack. Refractors, Marcelo Meyer. Nice. And Jackson Joe. Nice firsts there. And last pack here for you, Margaret. Got Sky Blue for the Rockies of Zach Veen. Genesis, Gavin Williams. Chrome, Povich and Morales. And paper. All right, Margaret, that'll do it for you. Thanks so much for hopping in, and we'll get these cards right out to you.